In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Monopoly Go app running smoothly again if it's freezing or not working properly. We all know how frustrating it can be when you're in the middle of an intense game, ready to roll the dice and dominate the board, only to find that your app is having some issues. But don't worry, I'm here with some simple fixes that should help you out. First things first, it's crucial to make sure your device is compatible with Monopoly Go and that your operating system is up to date. Developers often release updates to fix bugs and improve performance, which means keeping your device and the app itself updated can solve many common issues you might be experiencing. So open up your App Store and check if there's a new update available for Monopoly Go. A fresh update could be all you need. Next, let's address the cache. Sometimes temporary files can cause glitches, and clearing the cache might just do the trick. If you're on an iPhone, head over to the settings, find Monopoly Go, and hit Clear Cache. For Android users, you'll want to go into the storage settings within the app and clear the cache from there. Once you've done this, restart the app and see if that freezing issue is resolved. Clearing the cache usually takes care of minor issues and ensures the game runs more smoothly. Now let's talk about your internet connection, Monopoly. Go relies heavily on a stable internet connection, so if your game keeps freezing, this might be the culprit. Double check your Wi-Fi or mobile data to make sure it's stable. You can try switching networks, restarting your router, or even toggling airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection. A reliable internet connection can make a world of difference in how the game performs. Another good practice is to free up device storage. Low storage can lead to apps crashing or freezing. Go through your device and delete unnecessary files, apps, or media that you no longer need, or consider using cloud storage to free up some space. Ensuring that you have enough storage can help Monopoly Go run without those annoying hiccups. Finally, if you've tried everything else and nothing has worked, it might be time to reinstall the game. Uninstall Monopoly Go, restart your device, and then download the latest version from your App Store. This process can clear out any corrupted files and offers a fresh start with the app. And that's it. By following these steps, you can fix any freezing or malfunctioning issues with Monopoly Go and enjoy smooth gameplay once again. Remember to keep your device updated, clear your caches regularly, manage your storage wisely, and stay connected to a strong internet network. Now it's time to roll the dice and conquer the board. Good luck and have fun.